She tucks me in and says goodnight. My mommy's hands are soft and warm. She keeps me safe and protects me from harm. With bedtime stories, she sings so sweet. In her warm embrace, the world's complete. Oh, Mommy dear, you're my guiding light. With you by my